Greetings and salutations. Whether it's the crack of dawn, the height of noon, or the dusk of evening, I bid you a warm welcome. Currently, gracing your screen are some captivating animations we're about to delve into. Brace yourself for a journey through a myriad of visual delights. Among them, you'll find a collection of animations ranging from the remarkably lifelike to the boldly futuristic, with a special highlight on anime-inspired creations. Prepare to be dazzled. Now let's embark on this creative voyage, armed with a powerful tool known as Morph Studio. Picture this, you're about to land on the digital shores of our destination, the Morph Studio website. Simply point your browser to Morph Studio, XYZ, and behold the gateway to your imagination. Clicking Join via Discord will whisk you away to our virtual studio space, where the magic happens. Upon joining, allow yourself a moment to acclimate to the studio's layout. On the left-hand side, you'll notice various channels dedicated to video generation, each numbered from 1 to 10. Fear not the bustling activity. We've got you covered. Let's focus our attention on Channel 7 for now. Within this channel, we'll explore the transformative powers of text-to-video and image-to-video conversion. First up, let's dive into the realm of text-to-video. Simply type your desired prompt, perhaps envisioning an Asian girl strolling down a sunlit boulevard, and select your preferred aspect ratio. Click Enter and watch as your vision takes shape. But wait, there's more. Explore the nuances of motion, intensity, zoom, frames per second, and duration to fine-tune your creation. Now let's shift gears to image-to-video conversion. Upload your chosen image, define the aspect ratio, and let your imagination run wild. Adjust parameters such as motion, zoom, frames per second, and duration to craft a visual masterpiece. With Morph Studio's intuitive interface and tutorial resources at your disposal, the possibilities are endless. Once your masterpiece is ready, it's time to unveil it to the world. Sit back, click play, and behold your creation come to life. Whether it's a captivating scene or a dynamic image transformation, Morph Studio empowers you to unleash your creativity like never before. And there you have it, a glimpse into the boundless potential of Morph Studio. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creativity and exploration. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until next time, farewell.